Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to present how Odoo subscription model works for different type of products, and the business cases I am going to show is about internet service provider as well as a product based subscription where customers are asking for recurring delivery for certain product every month or every quarter. So how it works and how it helps an e-commerce customer to get advantage over it. So when we set recurring plans, we get this many options like billing period and aligned to period start, then automatic closing within 15 days, like unpaid subscribers subscription can be expire, and then how self-service works. So this is the topic which we are exploring today, how self-service works. So when customers are buying this particular plan either by backend sales order or either on the e-commerce portal, they can close it by any date or end of the period. They can add any products during that subscription, like we can do upsell in the same quotation, and they can also renew by themselves using self-service. And this is the main option which we allow customer to switch the plan during their existing subscription. So you can see I have taken coffee as a product, and then I have taken internet service as a product for both monthly cycle. Now if I go to second, which is yearly cycle, I would like to allow to have yearly, and then optional plan is monthly and quarterly. And then when I go to 3 months like quarterly plan, I would like to offer monthly and yearly based on whatever subscription we have. So this is how the first setup goes with self-service and with this billing period. Now if we go to our products or subscription, there are active subscriptions you can see going on, right? This is for internet service and this is for coffee services, right? Both are going on. Now if we switch to website, and then if I want to shop the coffee subscription, like I want monthly coffee subscription based on 250 gram pack every month, or 500 gram every month, or 1 kg, or let's say 5 kg every month. That is what I have defined in my plan. And now if you see, based on 250 gram, I have a choice to either opt for monthly or quarterly. And then over here, the customer can have clear visibility about what they are paying based on whatever pack size they have. So it shows the per month pricing, better offer when they choose the larger plan. And then if I go 500 gram, you can see 3. Now if I go to 1 kg, I have only one choice, like 800 per month is the plan, but total plan is like this, and 5,000 which will be go to monthly 3,000 based on the prices we offer. Now if I switch my product to the internet service, so internet service has also 3 type of plan, either monthly, quarterly or yearly, you can see. And then I have 50 Mbps, 100 Mbps and 200 Mbps is a base. So if I go with monthly plan, I have a choice. If I switch to quarterly, it will cost me less, and then again yearly, it will again cost me less. So that's how people can choose wisely based on this pricing indication they get. Now for 100 Mbps, you can see the plans are switched, and then 200 Mbps again plans are switched. Definitely I have to do better pricing, but yeah, this is how it is, and then based on that we can subscribe. Now the feature which I would like to explore is going to my account, where I can see my subscription which are running already. So if I go to SO25, you can see my internet service 200 Mbps is already running. And then if I want to renew I want to automate my payment, I can choose from here, and here is the main option. I can close the subscription from my end. I don't need any customer care helpline. And if I want to change the plan, it will allow me to change the plan based on the availability, and then I can choose if I want to switch to monthly plan. It will create the invoice for the monthly plan, and then we can consider this to go for monthly. Now if I don't want to renew that, I go back to quotation again. This is how, back to my subscription. Now I want to change the plan to yearly, and I will submit. Then it will show me the desired amount for yearly. I can accept and sign, and that plan start date will be from here, and then I can accept and sign, and then plan will be switched to the new plan from the date I have selected, like the next month onward it will be applicable. So once it is done, we will see how it will be impacting on my subscriptions once this particular validation is done. So a new sales order has been created, and now if I go to my subscription management, I will see SO33, whereby I will see SO24, which is the quotation, and SO33, which has two sales history. One is SO original 25, which is now renewed with the latest plan in progress is internet service 200 Mbps for yearly method. And then everything will be settled seamlessly based on the date selected and based on the plan date, right? So this is how Odoo subscription can even do many things more with the change plan as well as its overall configuration. So that configurations are here in subscription. When I go and create any subscription, I can do self-service, and I can define the alternative plans and optional plans based on whatever cycle I would like to set. So a physical product can also go in subscription, and a service type product can also go in subscription, and self-service will help to automate the customer control on their own by customer portal in the Odoo. So these are some of the very good features which can help many service industry to create the recurring plans for their products or services and allow customer to change or switch as and when they need it. Hope this will help many consultants to set up subscription for different industries like telecom, internet, physical product, or any virtual services. Thank you guys.